Before case modding became a scene, builders were already solving thermal problems by hand. Cutting vents, moving fans, clearing cable paths, finding better ways for air to reach the parts that needed it. That was the first Cooler Master community. Today, the workloads are heavier. AI models, 3D rendering, simulation, data processing. Systems run harder for longer, and the people behind them have less tolerance for throttling, heat issues, or noise. The next generation will push every part of the system. More power, more heat, higher expectations. The answer is not decoration. It is airflow, pressure, liquid, copper, and engineering that keeps performance stable. Cooler Master. Make it yours.